Hey everyone, this is Shad, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can automate the deployment of your Spark applications. So in the project section you can see the list of Spark applications that have been registered for the purpose of automation of deployment and for also capturing of the metrics. So over here you can see there is a Spark application which has been configured for the deployment. And every time a Spark application is run, the history is captured over here. And also there are some set of metrics that gives you the ability to compare each run. You can also configure alerts for getting notified whenever there is a failure or based on some metric exposed by the Spark. And you can also get a quick overview of overall utilization of CPU for all the runs. Now let's create a Spark project and see how we can quickly start deploying our Spark application. Let's give it a name and a description. Let's add a deployment pipeline. We'll name it as quick launch. It requires an agent that would have the ability to submit the Spark application from that agent. For this example, we are using a Docker-based agent. First, I'll clear some directories. And then I'm going to submit the Spark. So this form quickly configures my Spark command so that I don't have to type the command all over again every time I need to deploy my Spark application. Monitoring via Gigahex allows my application to push all the metrics to the Gigahex platform for ease of debugging. So currently I'm using a small cluster, so let's keep it to the minimum, and I'm using a Spark standalone cluster. So that's it. So in few seconds or maybe a minute, we have configured a deployment pipeline. Let's deploy it. Let's look at the logs. So the application is being submitted. Alright, so now let's try to monitor this Spark application through Gigahex Platform. So Gigahex Platforms gives us a quick overview of the status of the application, which is being reflected in the real time. You can see the jobs and the stages in those jobs. You can also see the runtime metrics of the executors. And also the logs. So we can search the logs and we can also filter based on the source. This helps us to quickly discover the root cause of any issue. So the history is captured over here. Now let's add an alert for a failure. And let's edit the deployment such that the application fails this time. And let's redeploy it. So this time the application would fail. The reason being is that the directory is not empty. Let's look at the dashboard again. And we can see the metrics being captured, and hopefully there would be an exception in a couple of seconds. Alright, so there was an issue which was discovered, and this is the stack trace. And also there's a quick suggestion that would help me to quickly fix this particular issue. Let me check out my mail if I got an alert. And yes, there is an alert which says that the application has failed. Let's track it down. And I am being landed over to the same page where the metrics have been captured. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye.